Catchy music and a sick looking bike, but today we are here to look at cameras, in particular the Insta360, and what resolutions make a difference.
And there's that prickly gorse again.
This example of the Insta360 X2 has taken more hits than Elvis, but it has been responsible for most of the footage on Riding New Zealand. This camera's done most of the heavy lifting in Riding New Zealand footage. Speaking of heavy lifting, Gen 1 VMAX for the win! Whammy! Plus it's been used for some tasty B-roll and even made it to Japan.
Quarter cheese dog. It's been cheese.
The proof in the pudding surely is, can I see a difference? So here's 3 little clips, and can you tell? This is 3K. Looks pretty good. Around the mirrors looks a bit chunky like Pac-Man. Here we are coming up on I think it's a bridge. There were some signs, Look, we're getting along. Here we are again, same bit of road. That cyclist was extra. But look at the mirrors, they're nice. The dash looks better. I think the road looks a bit clearer. And definitely it's a bridge. A bit hard to read the signage. But here we have it cranked now. And, hot diggity, this is Back to the Future 3.5. And coming up on the bridge, it looks, very clear. Yeah. We need to really zap into those pictures. Here we go, 3, 4, and 5K. I think there is a difference, you can tell. So, and this is the final of the final finale of the final, is, let's just zip it up right here. This is in 5K and mounted to the bike. Now previously on other bikes I could not do this. It shook the shit out of the camera and just got all out of shape. Here, I gotta say, it looks pretty good. Please, like, comment, tell us what you think. And here for the final send-off is a bit of a ride in 5K. Well, I'd call that conclusive results. More resolution on this camera seems to give a better picture. This was the X2. They also have a 3-way and a 4-way version, which is apparently a lot better, so I'm keen to try that out at some point. Come on back for more!